हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को नमस्कार, सभी को स्वागत है एक्सेल इन करंट अफेयर्स सेशन में। आज हम देखेंगे 11th जुलाई टू 17th जुलाई मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स, दैट इज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ जुलाई. टुडे वी विल कवर द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ जुलाई, राइट? सो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस दिस सेशन एवरी संडे 7 p.m. Okay, so I hope all of your SBI clerk prelims went well. So the mains is approaching, so be prepared well for the mains. Okay, and mark my words, the GS section and the English section, these two sections are very vital, very important, very scoring, right, for your mains. And I hope all of you are going through the daily current affairs on our app, Exigence Educator app. डाउनलोड कर लीजिए गूगल प्ले स्टोर से. Okay, you will find the Exigence Educator app on our Google Play Store, and in the current affairs section you will get the in detailed current affairs. Okay, in detailed current affairs पढ़ लीजिए. After that please do attend this session. This will be a revision session for you. Okay, weekly roundup, weekly wrap up, right? This will act as a revision tool for you, right? So this is the weekly score booster session. I hope this session will be very useful to boost your score in the upcoming examinations. So चलिए, let's start the session without further ado. So the first question, recently which coronavirus vaccine or COVID-19 vaccine has been recognized by 15 European Union countries for the travelers? Very important, isn't it? Which corona vaccine has been recognized by 15 EU countries for travelers? So my answer will be Covishield. Okay, Covishield is now recognized by 15 European Union countries for travel green pass. Okay, so this has been termed as the green pass, travel green pass. So this is quite important. As you can see, recognition from EU will help people avail the EU digital COVID certificate or the green pass with an aim to facilitate free movement during the COVID-19 pandemic. Belgium has become the latest European country to recognize the Covishield vaccine, okay, which was developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being produced by the Serum Institute of India. Next one, who has recently inaugurated the country's first private LNG facility at Nagpur? So who is it? Who has recently inaugurated the country's first private LNG facility at Nagpur? So my answer will be, मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. आंसर will be नितिन गडकरी. Nitin Gadkari inaugurates the country's first LNG facility at Nagpur, Maharashtra. Alright, next one. Who participated virtually in the this is the third edition, obviously, third G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting under the Italian presidency? So the president was Italy, president country was Italy. So my answer will be obviously Nirmala Sitharaman. G20 meeting, finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman emphasizes on urgent need to strengthen multilateralism for global health amid emerging COVID-19 variants. एक और चीज़ मैं बताना चाहूँगा, if you have not yet gone through the video on cabinet ministers, reshuffled list of cabinet ministers, please go through it. वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी चैनल पे डाल दिया है, ठीक है. प्लीज़ गो थ्रू द वीडियो, राइट. द वीडियो इज द सेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, so they can ask, right? चलिए, next one, who has won the men's singles title of Wimbledon Open by beating Matteo Berrettini of Italy? So किसने जीता है ये men's singles title? So and this can also be asked, by beating whom? Matteo Berrettini of Italy. So my answer will be Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic wins Wimbledon and his 20th career Grand Slam title. Who has won the women's singles title after defeating Karolina Pliskova of Czech Republic? This is also very important news from sports. Okay, one important fact from the sports news. So मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. आंसर will be Ashley Barty. Ashley Barty wins women's singles title. Novak Djokovic, which we discussed moments back, to clash with Matthew singles title tonight. Okay, very important, right? Matteo Berrettini of Italy, this is quite important, and here also Karolina Pliskova, this is also very important, right? Next one, World Population Day was observed on which date? So recently World Population Day was observed. So आपको ये बताना पड़ेगा वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे हम कब ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. ओके, सो मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. यस, माई आंसर विल बी 11th of July. 11th July is वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे एंड थीम क्या था इस साल का? राइट्स एंड चॉइसेस आर द आंसर्स वेदर बेबी बूम और बस्ट. द solution to shifting fertility rates lies in prioritizing all people's reproductive health and rights. Very, very important, right? Next one. India's first cryptogamic garden opened in which city? India's first cryptogamic garden opened in which city? So मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर तय कर लीजिए. Yes, the answer will be Dehradun, right? So the name of the town is Chakrata town. Chakrata town of Dehradun. Chakrata town of Dehradun in Uttarakhand. उत्तराखंड तो ये इसमें है, आपको मिल जाएगा उत्तराखंड. See, opens in Uttarakhand. Okay, and it will be housing almost 50 species, 50 species of lichens. Okay, 50 species of lichens, ferns and fungi. Okay, 50 species of lichens, ferns and fungi. Okay, and plant, and we all know that plant kingdom can be divided into, plant kingdom can be subdivided into cryptogams and phanegrams, right? Cryptogams and phanerogams. Okay, cryptogams actually, cryptogams consist of seedless plants and plant like organisms. Okay, right, all right. And phanerogams, they are further subdivided into gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Okay, just for your knowledge, just for your know-how. Next one, which state has recently exported the GI certified Madurai Malli and other flowers to the United States of America and Dubai? So USA and Dubai, right? So GI certified Madurai Malli and other flowers have been exported by which state? Yes, it is Tamil Nadu. The answer will be Tamil Nadu. So these flowers have been exported to USA as well as Dubai. Recently, Defense Ministry has implemented SPARSH. What is SPARSH? It is a web-based system for processing of pension claims and credit of pension into the bank account. So you just have to say, what does A in SPARSH stand for? A in SPARSH stands for, so A in SPARSH stands for administration. The full form is System for Pension Administration Raksha. Pension Administration Raksha. Which of the following states is planning to introduce Model Tenancy Act in the state? Model Tenancy Act for the tenants, right? Model Tenancy Act in the state. So which state is going to introduce it? So very, very important. मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. Yes, my answer will be Karnataka. Karnataka to soon adopt new Model Tenancy Act. So you can have a look here. 60 days will be required maximum to end the disputes. Okay, so you can see here all the terms and conditions are given. Okay, just go through it for your knowledge. Okay, PDF आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगा. Okay, next one. India has signed a memorandum of understanding with which country on refurbishing personnel administration and governance reforms? Very, very important. So which country is it? It was recently in the news. I hope you have already gone through the daily news, daily current affairs. Answer will be Gambia, right? Answer will be Gambia. Next, Dash has signed a contract of 499 crore with the Ministry of Defence for the manufacturing and supply of Akash missiles. For the manufacturing and supply of Akash missiles, yes, my answer will be BDL, that is Bharat Dynamics Limited. So BDL signs 499 crore deal, very important, with IAF for Akash mission, for the Akash missiles, right. So this is a picture of the missile. Next, Dash has become the first union territory to achieve 100% first dose cover, right. Okay, इस यूनियन टेरिटरी में फर्स्ट डोज का 100% कवरेज हो गया है. सो मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. माय आंसर विल बी लद्दाख, राइट. लद्दाख द फर्स्ट यूनियन टेरिटरी टू अचीव 100% फर्स्ट डोज कवरेज. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट वन, सॉरी pardon, which became the first solar railway station in the country to be covered, okay, to be covered with, that is 2 plus b plus v3, isn't it? Okay, that is the basic rule, to be covered with 130. So yes, time is almost up. So solar panels, okay, solar panels, right? So answer will be, have a look here, Vijayawada station, right? And see, the environment friendly move will result in annual savings of more than 8 lakhs rupees, 8 lakhs, okay. So have a look here, see, it will have 130 kWp, the solar roof cost will be amounting to rupees 62 lakhs, okay, to set up. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the International Cooperation and Convention Center, जिसका नाम क्या है, रुद्राक्ष, ये recently news में था, in Varanasi, which has been constructed with the assistance of which country? This was also in the news. I hope you have gone through it. Yes, answer will be Japan, right? So this is the convention center. Wonderful, isn't it? Mind blowing, amazing. So yes, seating capacity of 1200, right? 2.87 hectares of land. Okay, so the name is very important. It is Rudraksh, and which country has assisted? It is Japan, none other than Japan. Which state government has recently announced to set up medical colleges in all the districts? Very very important, isn't it? So किस राज्य ने, किस राज्य सरकार ने ये डिसीजन लिया है, ये निर्णय लिया है to set up medical colleges in all its districts? Yes, my answer will be Rajasthan. All Rajasthan districts to have medical colleges, as said by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. The Ramayana of Sri Guru Govind Singh Ji is written by whom? The Ramayana of Sri Guru Govind Singh Ji has been written by whom? So do tally your answer with me, guys. My answer will be Baljit Kaur Tulsi, right? So Will Smith's book, Will, is also important from the exam point of view. Kajal Suri's book Habba Khatun, this is also very important. Suresh Raina's autobiography Believe, this is also quite important, right? Next one, which state or union territory has recently entered India's railway map when the first passenger train Rajdhani Express from Assam's Silchar reached the state or union territory? Very important, quite important, very critical question. Yes, and it is also quite easy. Answer is Manipur. Manipur enters India's railway map as the first passenger train reaches the state. Okay, next one. Which team has won the Copa America 2021? It is the first major title in 28 years for the team. So which team is it? Yes, मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. I hope you have already seen the match, isn't it? So all the football enthusiasts, yes, my answer will be Argentina. So you all know, right? Messi is my favorite. So yes, it's Argentina, right? Argentina had defeated Brazil 1-0, okay, 1-0 in Saturday's Copa America final. All right, next, who has been selected the juror for the Tokyo Olympic Games? The juror for the Tokyo Olympics, okay, what will be the answer? My answer will be Pawan Singh. So Pawan Singh is the Joint Secretary General of the National Rifle Association of India, NRAI. Joint Secretary General of NRAI, Pawan Singh, selected as the first ever Indian juror of Olympics. Next one, NIIT, Institute of Finance, Banking and Insurance, that is NIIT IFBI, has partnered with which bank to launch Digital Banking Academy? So, with which bank has it partnered to launch the Digital Banking Academy? Yes, my answer will be Axis Bank. My answer will be Axis Bank. NIIT Axis Bank partnered to launch Digital Banking Academy. All right. Next one, World Paper Bag Day. World Paper Bag Day is celebrated across the globe on which date every year? So World Paper Bag Day is celebrated across the globe on which date? So it is celebrated all across the world on 12th July, on July 12th of July, right, World Paper Bag Day. So we should encourage the usage of paper bags instead of plastic bags, right. Whenever they give you plastic bags, please do not accept that, right. Okay. Try to incorporate paper bags in your daily lives, alright. Whenever you go to a shop, which of the following football teams has won the European Championship 2020? Which of the following football teams has won the European Championship 2020? So, which football team is it? Yes, I hope you all know, isn't it? Yes, my answer will be Italy. Everyone is a football enthusiast, isn't it? Euro 2020 final, Italy beat England. Italy beat England 3-2. Okay. Next, name the state government that has announced to create the Department of Indigenous Faith. किस इंडिजीनियस फेथ, ओके, किस राज्य सरकार ने ये अनाउंस किया है, क्या अनाउंस किया है? टू क्रिएट अ सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंडिजीनियस फेथ. सो एज यू ऑल नो, देयर इज अ न्यू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ, see, there is a new ministry of cooperation, isn't it? And this is the state of Assam that has announced to create a separate department of indigenous faith. Very important, right? Okay, here is the details. Next one, who has won, and do you know who is heading the Ministry of Cooperation? It is none other than Amit Shah. Amit Shah, because he was once the president of a cooperative bank, right? Amit Shah. Next one, who has won the Euro 2020 Golden Boot? Golden Boot किसने जीता है, बताइए. So Euro 2020 Golden Boot किसने जीता है? Yes, my answer will be Cristiano Ronaldo, right? Euro 2020, Portugal's Cristiano Ronaldo wins Golden Boot. Next one, Indian Army, and you can also see the entire list here. Okay, PDF आपको मिल जाएगा, just go through the list. Indian Army has named the military firing range in Kashmir after which of the following actors? So this is quite interesting, isn't it? I hope you have already gone through this particular news. It was in the news already. So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? Yes, मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. It's none other than Vidya Balan and husband Siddharth Roy Kapoor recently attended the Gulmarg Winter Festival. So Vidya Balan firing range. Okay. Next, which country will host the 2026 World Badminton Championships? World Badminton Championships. So कौन सा देश है ये? आंसर मेरे साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. Yes, my answer will be obviously India. India to host the Badminton World Championship 2026, says BWF. Next, so have a look here. The major or key tournaments, upcoming tournaments: ICC World Test Championship Southampton, UK 2021, Men's T20 World Cup in UAE 2021, Australia in 2022 is going to host the Men's T20 World Cup, right? Women's World Cup New Zealand 2022, right? Then West Indies in 2022 is going to host the U19 Cricket World Cup. Women's T20 World Cup will be hosted by South Africa in 2022. Very important, right? These are very important from the exam point of view. Next, the book The Struggle Within, a Memoir of the Emergency. The book The Struggle Within, a Memoir of the Emergency has been authored by whom? So who has authored this? I hope all the names are very familiar with you, isn't it? Why? Because we had covered it in the past weeks. Yes, my answer will be Ashok Chakravarti. Now let us have a look at the other options. Kavita Rao, Lady Doctors, The Untold Stories of India's First Women in Medicine. Khemlata Waklu, Kashmiri Century, Portrait of a Society in Flux. Sandeep Mishra, Fiercely Female, The Duti Chand Story, right? We had covered it last week. Who has authored the new book, The Art of Conjuring Alternate Realities, How Information Warfare Shapes Your World? Quite important from books and authors section, isn't it? Books and authors section, quite important. So yes, my answer will be both B and C, right? This is the cover of the book. Shivam Shankar Singh and Anand Venkat Narayan, alright. In fact, Venkat Narayanan. Name the country that has signed 1.3 billion deal with India's hydropower major Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam to develop 679 megawatt hydropower project. So, yes, my answer will be Nepal, none other than Nepal. Nepal has signed $1.3 billion deal, US dollar deal with India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam. Okay. Next one. Khelo India Youth Games 2022 will be held in which of the following states? Khelo India Youth Games 2022 will be hosted, in fact, it will be held in which of the following states? So, do tell your answer with me, guys. My answer will be Haryana. The Haryana government on Monday applied brakes on its earlier decision to hold the Khelo India Games 2021 in November December and has now decided to organize the sports show in February 2022. Alright, because of the possibility of the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Right, we all know that the third wave may hit very soon. Which state plans to launch the Matru Kavacham campaign, okay, to vaccinate the pregnant women? Very noble initiative. So, which state is it? So, किस राज्य सरकार ने ये लॉन्च किया है? Yes, my answer will be Kerala. Kerala to launch Matru Kavacham campaign to vaccinate pregnant women against COVID-19. Alright, against COVID-19. Next, pardon the background noise. Which of the following countries has recently exported apples to India for the first time in 50 years? For the first time in 50 years. So, yes, my answer will be UK, United Kingdom. Minister celebrates British apple exports to India for the first time in 50 years. Which Indian American tennis player has created history by winning the junior championship title at Wimbledon? So, which Indian American tennis player is it? So, yes, my answer will be yes, Samir Banerjee. Wimbledon 2021, Indian origin Samir Banerjee becomes Wimbledon junior championship. ठीक है ना? चलिए next one. Serum Institute of India will begin manufacturing which among the following vaccines in India from September 2021? From September 2021. Very important question. Okay, very important one indeed. Right, because yes, answer will be Sputnik V. Serum Institute to produce Russia's Sputnik V vaccine. Now, one more thing you must be knowing. Right, last week we had covered Panacea Biotech. Panacea Biotech, it has got the DCGI nod to produce Sputnik V. Now, Serum Institute has got the nod to produce Sputnik V, Russia's Sputnik V. Okay, very important. Next one, which of the following countries has become the first foreign country to adopt India's UPI interface, that is Unified Payment Interface, UPI standards for its quick response, that is QR code, right? QR code, we all know of the QR code, isn't it? Yes, answer will be Bhutan. Bhutan becomes the first neighboring country to use Bhim UPI, right? Bhutan. So, this is the tweet. Okay, Bhutan becomes the first country in India's immediate neighborhood to use the Bhim UPI, Bhim app for mobile based payments, right, to adopt the UPI standards for the QR deployment, right, as stated by Ministry of External Affairs. Cabinet has approved a memorandum of understanding, that is an MOU between India and Dash on cooperation in the field of health and medicine. On cooperation in the field of health and medicine. So, my answer will be Denmark. Cabinet approves MOU with Denmark for health and medicine. World Youth Skills Day. World Youth Skills Day is observed on which date? World Youth Skills Day is observed on which date? Very important from the exam point of view. Yes, my answer will be, do try your answer with me, it is 15th of July. 15th July, World Youth Skills Day, right? Which is the first northeastern state to propose a legislation to protect cattle, right? So, my answer will be yes, Assam, right? BJP led Assam government tables bill to ban cow slaughter. So cow slaughter will be banned in Assam very soon. Which state's chief minister has announced ex gratia of rupees 5 lakhs each to the family of those killed in lightning strikes? So we all know that there were several lightning strikes during the thunderstorms. Yes, my answer will be Rajasthan. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, see, has clearly announced 5 lakh ex gratia to the kin of those killed in lightning strikes. Okay, kin means relatives or the near ones, right, family members. Defense Minister or Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh launched an artificial intelligence powered grievance management application in New Delhi, developed by Ministry of Defense with the help of Dash. So which IIT is it? Which IIT has helped in its development? Yes, it is IIT Kanpur. It is none other than IIT Kanpur, right. Work of India's first Dolphin Research Center is going to start in which city? Dolphin Research Center is going to start in which city? Which city is it? Yes, it is Patna in Bihar. Work on India's first Dolphin Research Center to start in Patna post monsoon. Alright, very, very important. Next one, the book Now That We Are Here, published by Penguin India Publishers, has been written by whom? So it has been written by whom? So it has been written by none other than Akshat Tyagi and Akshay Tyagi. So answer will be both B and C, both B and C. Who is the composer of the Tokyo Olympics cheer song? So you must be knowing this, very, very important news. It was already in the news, right. The name of the cheer song is Hindustani Way. Yes. Who is the composer? If you have guessed it right, yes, then you are great. Yes, you are right. Answer is A.R. Rahman. Okay. So you can see the picture, Ananya Birla and A.R. Rahman. Okay. The Hindustani Way. So don't forget it. All right. Which band, Chinese fashion brand, is set to re-enter India through Amazon? So this Chinese fashion brand is going to re-enter India for business through Amazon. So which brand is it? Yes, it was banned. Yes, answer is Shein, right. Chinese fashion brand Shein is making a comeback in India through marketplace Amazon a year and a half after the fashion site, popular for its latest styles and accessible price points, was temporarily barred from selling goods in India, along with Clubhouse and AliExpress for evading tax rules. They had evaded the tax rules, that's why they had been banned. Now they are again making a comeback. So it is Chinese company, mind it. Dash has become the first Gulf nation to open embassy in Israel. So which has become the first Gulf nation to open an embassy in Israel? First Gulf nation. So this is why it is very important. So answer क्या होगा? Yes, answer will be UAE, United Arab Emirates. Next one, in which city of Gujarat India's first 5-star hotel has been built over the railway track? Okay, which city is it? So I hope you have already seen this in the news, isn't it, right? क्योंकि द हिंदू मैं तो डेली शेयर करता हूँ ग्रुप में, right, and the admin also shares it in the telegram channel. Yes, answer is Gandhinagar, Gujarat, right. 5-star hotel, okay, 5-star hotel atop railway track in Gandhinagar. You can see the pictures, isn't it? Next, which company has recently developed New Shepard launch system which got flying approval recently? So this is also quite important news from the science and technology section. So do tell your answer with me guys. मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. Answer is Blue Origin. Jeff Bezos launch to space clears final regulatory hurdle. You can see here, see Mr. Jeff Bezos. Yes, please go through the news in the PDF. Okay, Nitin Gadkari has recently inaugurated and laid down foundation stone of 16 national highway projects in which state? So which state is it? Which state is it? So answer will be मणिपुर, yes, answer is Manipur. ठीक है, answer will be Manipur. So you can see here it is worth 4148 crores, right? Next, which country has begun construction of the world's first commercial small modular reactor named Ling Long 1? The name of the reactor is Ling Long 1. Okay, it is the first modular reactor, very important. So yes, my answer will be China. All right, my answer will be China. China begins construction of world's first commercial small modular reactor, very important. Next one. So yes, with this we come to the end of 50 questions of today, right? Please do mention your score, guys, and for the next one, this is your homework. The book The Great Big Lion has been drawn and written by whom? This is also very important from the exam point of view, because this was in the news. Or in the meantime, do give me your scores in the comment section. Please mention your scores in the comment section out of 50. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has received the book entitled Urdu Poets and Writers, Gems of Deccan. So you have to say it has been authored by whom, right? It has been authored by whom. So after the class is over, please do mention the answers of these two questions in the comment section. ठीक है, तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. एंड गाइस, मंडे टू फ्राइडे आपका रीजनिंग क्लासेस चल रहा है, मेंस लेवल, एसबीआई क्लार्क मेंस लेवल, एंड वेरी सून वी विल स्टार्ट द डीआई क्लासेस also, right? DI class as well as the banking awareness class and classes for PO mains, right? Be it SBI PO, be it IBS PO, classes for PO mains will also start very soon. So don't worry about that. Please do subscribe to the channel and do like this session. Okay, do like this video and subscribe to the channel, right? So फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. टिल देन प्लीज डू गो थ्रू द डेली करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम आवर वेबसाइट और ऐप, राइट? And stay home, stay safe, take care, and God bless you guys.